we keep hearing things. I keep seeing things about how that speaker Mike Grinder Johnson is avoiding swearing in that Grijalva chick, whatever her name is, from Arizona, that's got the 218th signature waiting to be signed to release the Epstein files. They keep trying to stave it off, and they're running out of time for this. However they're doing it, they're getting attacked. All the while, this one girl that is not good for that poor guy, she released a book. Of course, she made herself unavailable within the last year when she was living in Australia, so we can't reach her for questions and comments. However, this is coming out in this time. So they're trying to avoid releasing the files, but all kinds of stuff keeps happening. The universe is at work. Oh, ha, ha. Dun, 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 dun. The world starts to crumble. What is the next step in making it so this Grijalva chick, whatever her name is, doesn't get signed in? They've pushed it to the limit so far. I am predicting right now, what's today? Probably the 23rd of October. It's a week from Devil's Night. It's a Thursday. Thor's Day, God of War. Well, the God of War, to keep it from going any further, is running out of options. And the next step is that, I would say within the next week, let's make it on Devil's Night. That poor guy is going to have Speaker Mike Grinder Johnson fired from the position. That way, there won't be anybody to sign that chick in. That's what they'll say. I'm sure there's a backup plan in reality, but right now, life is but a dream. Propel, propel, propel your craft